Let's be honest, not everyone is an accounting expert. The good news is that you don't have to be. Accounting Link simplifies sending financial information from your shop management system to your accounting software. Throughout the day, your shop management system sends your transactional information into Accounting Link. Accounting Link then gets to work mapping each transaction to the right account in your accounting system. The best part? You're in total control. Accounting Link will wait for your approval before posting the activity to your accounting system. Or, if you're confident in your setup, Accounting Link will do it for you. What that means for you is less time doing manual entry and more time running your business. Now, this may be accounting software, but don't let that scare you. The beautiful thing about Accounting Link is that you don't need to be an accounting professional to use it. Accounting Link is built to handle every type of user, whether you're the type of user who just wants things to work, or the detail-oriented accountant who wants to verify every transaction. No matter what type of user you are, Accounting Link does all the hard work for you so that you can manage the process instead of spending hours of your time doing manual entry. And if you don't want to come into Accounting Link to approve activity, we have a solution for that too. The auto process feature can automatically post all of your activity to your accounting software, no clicks required. And if there's an issue, we'll send you a notification to let you know. Does it sound too good to be true? We promise it's not. The magic is in the mapping. When Accounting Link is configured, you set up where in your accounting system you want each transaction type to go to. If you require a more complex setup, welcome to the world of custom mapping. Custom mapping allows you to break out transactions in more detail and even tailor reporting to your specific needs. This allows Accounting Link to do all the hard work and leave the final review for you. Now let's talk features. Accounting Link hosts a robust feature set that includes an audit trail, multi-location processing capabilities, auto processing, warning alerts, embedded tooltips, and so much more. You'll find that Accounting Link is more than just an accounting integration. It's your best new employee. To learn more about how Accounting Link can be your one-stop accounting integration, reach out to our sales team or your shop management system for details.